Hello guys, so today I would like to share with you how to add non-copyright YouTube music to your video for free on YouTube. I haven't found this anywhere on YouTube so far, and I thought I will share with you my discovery and help you guys if you are struggling same like me. First of all, there's many ways how to do it because it's directly from YouTube, so I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it is, and I'm gonna make your life so much easier. Now let's start with my discovery. You need to know the link first, which you can type in your website browser, and I'm gonna show you now what link it is. After that, it's going to take you to audio library on YouTube, and you're going to see loads of free music and sound effects with no copyright because it's coming straight from YouTube. Other way how you can do it is go to your YouTube studio, and on the left under your profile picture scroll down completely to the bottom in drop down menu where you will see audio library. Click on it and it will take you to the same page. Once you're on this page, audio library from YouTube, you can choose and download any music you want from this page because it's 100% non-copyright. It's coming straight from YouTube. It's directly from there, from YouTube. And trust me, there's loads of decent music on there in their audio library to choose from. You can play it and listen to it and choose whichever song you like, or even pop sounds, any sound effects. You can see which songs you like and choose from it, and whichever songs you like, you click on download on the right side next to the song you like, and it will download to your computer. After you download your favorite song or favorite songs, you can add them to your video on your computer in your software you're using or the software you're working on with your videos. I'm using DaVinci Resolve 16, it's for free as well, and you can edit it in your software however you like it. If it's short, if the song is short, you can duplicate it, or if it's too long, you can shorten it. On DaVinci Resolve 16, I duplicate it by clicking on Alt and dragging the song. You can use it for your YouTube videos, like tutorials, vlogs, or any videos you make for YouTube. It's copyright free. I hope I was helpful and you liked my little tutorial, and you can thank me by liking my video, subscribing, commenting down below, and thank you very much for watching. I hope I made your life easier.